Moving companies miss calls consistently. A customer will call at 7 p.m. because they got a notice from their lease, but nobody answers. Then that customer calls the next moving company on Google and they book a $3,000 job. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell this exact AI receptionist to local businesses by giving you my free self-selling AI receptionist. So all you gotta do is send this to your prospects. It's gonna answer as an AI receptionist, gathers their moving details, books a quote call, and pitches the service. It sells itself for you. And the best part is you do not need experience to sell this. So this is a self-selling AI receptionist. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell it to local businesses. So first off, let me explain exactly how this works. So it's very simple. You're going to send a number and it's going to book sales calls for you, okay? Or sell them on the spot. It's either one, really depending on your sales ability. Again, I'm going to be giving you this AI receptionist for free, but let me quickly explain very quickly how this works. So first off, you're going to send a phone number. Very important, which is going to be the phone number we're going to set up. I'm going to show you how to do all of this. Your prospect, okay, whatever you're going after, we can use this exact same demo, okay, for chiropractors, HVAC, electrician, the whole 9 yards. We're just doing this for moving companies for the sake of the video. They're going to call it. The AI receptionist is going to role play them. It's going to gather details and book a quote call, reveals this AI and pitches them on getting on one. Agent schedules that sales call for you, and the cycle continues. It is meant to literally help you sell. Does that make sense? Like, this is the whole process. I've made this as simple as possible. So again, I'm gonna be giving you this AI receptionist that does all of this for free, but on top of that, I'm gonna really show you how to get this in the hands of business owners. It's gonna be a complete video. If you guys have any questions, always drop them down in the comments and I'll answer personally. But again, this is the exact cycle we are going to be following. So please pay very close attention and let's get into it. So step number one is we need to set up this AI receptionist properly before we're gonna go in and to sell this to local businesses. Again, I'm gonna run through all these demos in a sec. But again, this is going to be free right down below. And I'll explain to a sec and how you can get it. Don't worry. But first things first, let's go through setting this up. So once you have this AI receptionist, literally all you're going to do is you're going to come into the GoHighLevel platform. If you don't have it, we'll talk about it in a sec. Don't worry. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'll show you how to get it for free. But we're going to come right in here. We're going to go right down to settings and we're going to make sure our business profile is completely filled out. This is step number one, because when we fill this out, it's going to change the custom values, which will change in here. You should have done this regardless, but in business profile, you're just going to fill all of this stuff out. Simple as that. I mean, it's address, business email, simple things. But once we do this, it's going to go through and change it all across the board for this. That is how simple this is. So that is step number one. Go through and set this up so it can match it. Very simple. That's it. Step number two is we need to properly configure the knowledge base, which is going to be this right here. So we're going to click this and we're going to select the exact knowledge base that we want for our AI receptionist. Okay, which if we come in here and we go right back and we go right to AI agents and click knowledge base, you will see we're going to click create knowledge base. You're going to put in the name of the business. So it'll just be, we'll just do moving company. I mean, guys, this is so easy. You're going to say this is literally the easiest thing ever. And all you're going to do is you're going to insert their URL right here or run it through ChatGPT and copy and paste in the rich text. You just take the website, you put it in right in here, you click train this page, and it's going to train it on whatever business's website you want. You put it in, have it go through, and then you're done. And then your AI agent is now trained on that exact knowledge base. Guys, if this seems way too simple, it's because it is. Because I've already set up all the hard stuff so you as a beginner can come through and just roll right through it. Like, I have made this as beginner friendly and as simple as I possibly can. It is absolutely crucial that you understand this, because when you understand this, we then can focus all of our time on selling, which is what's going to make you money. Okay, again, I'm not trying to BS you. I'm trying to give you the right way. From there, once we have this all set up, the last thing we are going to do, we're going to click deploy, and you just want to add in a phone number. And we can get a phone number either for $1 on GoHighLevel, or you can take their existing phone number, the business existing phone number, and port it in to HighLevel, which does take a little bit of time, but we can also do that. Either way, it's very simple. We select the phone number, and then this exact AI receptionist is essentially plugged into this AI receptionist. And then from there, we're going to go through and it's going to sell itself. Again, I'm not guaranteeing your results in this video. It's not what I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to show you what is possible. Also, I will be giving this for free. If you do not understand that, keep watching, because this is what's going to save you a lot of time. So now that you understand how simple the setup is, let's now go into a quick demo. I'm just going to run this right now, demo this, show you what this is, how this works like live. And then from there, let's immediately move into pitching this to local businesses. Because again, we want this AI receptionist to sell itself. And if you don't believe me, you can go down to my videos or just say, hey, I want to see if this is legit. And I'll send you testimonial videos of a lot of different people that are like, this thing sold itself. It's absolutely insane. Just drop a comment if you want to see that because it is mind blowing. But let's go through and let's run a test.
You just reached a live demo. Say yes whenever you're ready, and I'll show you what your moving company could sound like.
Yes.
Perfect. Here we go. Hey there. Thanks for calling Test Sub Account. I'm here to help with your move. What can I help you with today?
Hey, I'm trying to currently get my couches moved out and everything moved out.
Great. Happy to help with that. Where are you moving from?
I'm moving from Reno to Las Vegas.
And where are you moving to in Las Vegas?
The main strip.
What date are you looking at for the move?
I'm looking at the 22nd.
Got it. And are we talking a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or something larger like a 3-bedroom?
A two bedroom.
Thanks for clarifying. So we have 3 options depending on how hands-on you want us to be. The basic is great if you're already packed up. It's 2 movers and a truck. And for a 2-bedroom, it starts around $749. If you want us to handle the packing too, our full pack starts around $1,200 for a 2-bedroom. That covers all the materials and a full pack job the day before your move. And then our white glove is the full experience. We pack everything, move it, unpack it, and handle furniture assembly on the other end. That one starts around $1,800 for a 2-bedroom. For long-distance moves like Reno to Las Vegas, we do a custom quote based on mileage and load size. Based on what you've shared, I can get you set up with a quick quote call so the team can nail down an exact number and hold your date. What day works best for you?
As soon as you have possible.
Looks like there aren't any open quote call slots showing right now. Sometimes that just means the calendar hasn't been updated yet. Would you like me to have someone from the team reach out to you directly to get this set up?
Yes.
All right, I can have someone reach out to you directly to get your quote started. What's the best number for the team to call you at? Thank you. Someone from the team will reach out to you soon to help with your move and get your quote started. And that is exactly what your callers would get every single time they call in. Every lead gets captured. Quote calls get booked automatically, and it runs around the clock without anyone on your team picking up the phone. Want to see how we would set this up for your business? I can grab you a spot on the calendar right now. What day works best for you?
So that's it. We can just keep going on and on. It'll go through, it'll book appointment. We can just go through the whole process. Then it's going to pitch it very simply. I have a ton of videos on this where I'm talking to AI receptionists, so I'm not going to go through the whole entire thing because I do this constantly. If you guys want to see a full demo from start to scratch, drop a comment down below. I have it. But for the sake of your time, that is essentially how it works. And it is very, very awesome. So now that you understand that, let's now go to the next part, which is how do we get this in the hands of local businesses to start selling itself. So now that you understand what this AI receptionist is and really how to set it up, which is step number 1, we're now going to move on to step number 2, which is really important, which is selling this to moving companies using AI to filter and get everything ready. Then I'm also going to give you my voicemail drop automation so we can start dropping these automations to sell this. This is really cool. You're going to absolutely love this, but this is going to make this entire process way smoother because what we're going to do is we're going to take these leads, okay, get them in GoHighLevel, organize them, always follow your opt-in laws again, don't be spamming people, and then from there, dropping proper voicemails so that we can just go right through them and then immediately be reaching out to them. And guys, this is a really handy way to prospect. I'm telling you, you're really going to like this. I also have a voicemail script that I'm going to give you completely for free so you can record ASAP. And this thing's just going to go through and just work your leads. But real quick, before I get into that, if you were interested in this AI receptionist and this amazing AI powered software, don't worry, guys. This is not where I say, hey, buy my coaching for 10K. None of that. This is actually something much better. And that is an extended free trial of this AI powered software right down below. So it's not 14 days, which is on their website, GoHighLevel, but 30 days free. On top of that, I'm not only going to give you 30 days of all of this and this AI agent, I'm going to give you access to my entire private community for free forever if you're using this software. Guys, look at this. We have every training module you could possibly want, sales systems, scripts, AI prompts, tons of AI agents, everything you could need, even 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free every single week, even ones with me. Yes. You can talk to me on Zoom, okay, like you're seeing on the screen right now, going back and forth. So that's with me, the award-winning GHO wizard, but also you can talk to all the other coaches we have in here about a bunch of different things, high-level selling, high-level, the whole 9 yards. You can even come up in this right-hand corner and message me whenever you want. So if you come in, you're like, hey, is this a scam? Is this crazy? What's going on here? Just message me and we'll talk about it. You can send me voice memos even. But again, you're going to get access to that plus all of this amazing stuff that I showed you in this video for free and this AI software for 30 days free. And again, I want you to try this risk-free. That's why I set it up this way. I don't want to make this some sort of thing where you feel like, oh, I have to pay 5 to 10 grand for someone's mastermind. No, I'm just going to give it to you for free. That's my goal. And if you hate it, after 30 days, cancel. Also, the software's cheap. It's like $90 or some stuff. So not that bad, but still, again, I want to make this risk-free so you can actually make an educated decision. Because all these other guys that are out here, oh, buy this, buy that, and then you're screwed. I don't want to be like that because I know how annoying that is. I've gone through that myself. Instead, I'm like, hey, I truly stand on business. I believe this is that good. Hop in, try it, and if you don't like it, cancel. But again, this is the best community you're ever going to see. And if you come in here, you can see we have tons of people winning and tons of people getting clients. So now that you understand that, let's get into the rest of the video, which is how do we get this in the hands of local businesses. So you're going to come right into your exact Google Maps. We're going to put in the exact niche you want, and then we're going to put the location. And all we're going to do is we're going to do this. Then we're going to come right back here to Ask AI. We're going to paste this exact, thing that we just copied. We're going to go right up, and this is what we're going to say. Please organize all these leads and their contact info, and, only leave the ones that are open, that are not open 24 hours. Because you're going to see where I'm going with this. Because the ones that aren't open for 24 hours are going to be the exact leads we are going after. How awesome is that? We're going to make this entire thing simple for you because I'm going to show you we can only sell to people that need this service. If you don't need it, tough luck. Look at that. Removed the ones that didn't have that, and perfect. Okay, I love this. So here's the thing. We now have the leads that need the AI receptionist. This is so important. I'm actually going to break down a quick slide so you understand this, but this is a huge part of selling. Okay. Yes, AI's made it super easy to organize these leads, and GoHighLevel is absolutely amazing and makes everything super easy and beginner friendly. But if you are selling to people that don't need your service, it's never going to work. So let me explain this part because this is so important that you understand this. Because if you don't, I'm telling you right now, you're not going to sell anybody. So we're going to send them the exact AI receptionist using the voicemail drops. I'm going to show you in a sec. It's going to go through, it's going to book the appointment, go through all this. But here's the key. In this video, we're not trying to replace any staff. We're trying to work after hours. Okay, because a lot of people are like, no, I don't take our job. But a lot of businesses aren't going to have people answering the phones on the weekends. Hence why we filtered by 24 hour. Because then these people need it because they absolutely are getting calls in after hours. This is how this works. Then from there, it's going to go through, just like we showed you in the demo earlier, where it's going to show them what it does, and it's going to sell them on the solution. Very important. It is a 3-step process that's going to basically show them the value, show them how it's going to work in after hours, and then close them. That's the whole point of this. And again, we are selling to businesses that need the service. This is so important. Drop a comment down below if this is confusing at all, because for some reason, I talk to so many people and they don't do this. They're selling to businesses that already have a ton of staff or open 24 hours. Like, they're not going to buy your thing if they don't need it. They have to need it. Does that make sense? You have to need your service. So let's go through, let's get this dialed. And yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say, please put these leads in CRM, then organize by adding tag moving leads. And we're going to click enter. And it's going to take all of these and it's going to put them in the contacts. And then from there, we're going to go through using my script to reach out for them via voicemail. Again, this and this amazing AI agent are going to be free in this video. So check this out. All right. So now we're going to come into contacts and check this out. Boom, 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 moving leads, moving leads. All of our leads have been stored, organized, and categorized in seconds using AI. This is absolutely amazing. Now, this is the next step. We're going to contact these leads via the voicemail drop to get them engaged, to then go through to have them run the test that we're talking about so the AI can potentially sell itself to them. That's the whole goal here. We want to work smarter, not harder. So first things first, we need to record a voicemail. So this is free. Okay, again, down below when you get in the free community, I have added this in so you don't have to create this. So all you need to do now is add in your voicemail here, which I'm going to give you the script so then we can send this out. So we're going to click this. Hey, name, I built something that captures missed calls for moving companies. Try calling this number and tell me what you think. You're going to insert the demo number right there. No pitch, just curious if your business would use this. Done. Then from there, that is the exact script you're going to use. You're going to save it, and then you're going to add attachments. You're going to upload it, and then you're going to save the action. Okay, once you go through with this, then you'll be good to go, and you'll make sure it's published. That's all you have to do. So again, if you need to record that, you can go right back. You can pause on the video, okay, or you can drop a comment down below, and we can try to send you the script, but I mean, right in the video. I recommend you pause the video, and you quickly record this. It doesn't have to be amazing. You just need to get it done. From there, once we have that all dialed and that set up, we're ready to run this through your leads. Again, if you don't know what a voicemail drop is, just in case, this is going to go through all these contacts and it's going to send them a voicemail. Call them and immediately send them that voicemail so they're all getting it. Boom, you're immediately hitting all your leads. Again, always follow compliance laws, but once we get this through and we put it in, okay, essentially what this is going to do is it's going to go out and it's going to set it. So then from there, we can select all the contacts we want. So select all the ones that are moving leads, and all you got to do is you're going to click trigger automation. You're going to select workflow, and you're going to come right to voicemail drop, which is what this is called right here. You're going to put in the exact name. So we're going to do one leads voicemail, and then you're going to click add to automation, and it's going to go through and it's going to send all of the moving leads ones to the automation. That is how simple it is. Now it's going to go through and it's going to start contacting all the businesses by dropping voicemails. Again, follow compliance laws. I'm just doing this for a demo for the sake of the video to show you, but you go through and that is absolutely going to be so powerful. And then from there, it's going to guide them through exactly what we talked about, which is the AI receptionist selling itself to them. And if you don't believe this AI receptionist works, you're like, there's no way this can sell itself, check this out right here.
When you do that, now they're selling themselves because they're now viewing it like their customers will view it. A, it's been easier to close, and B, it kind of also takes the pressure off of me in the sales process, which I like.
They said, I can do so much with this guy. I said, well, are you open to talking more options to see how we can install him into your business? And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
So as you saw right there, this thing actually works. And I have a ton of these in the community. Okay, and the crazy part is like, I'm not guaranteeing this is going to happen to you. Again, this isn't a promise, but I've seen so many people come in and use this and absolutely crush with this. Guys, this is the future. You want AI to sell itself. This is so critical. You want AI to sell itself. Does that make sense? If you don't understand this, please rewatch this video like 20 times. We're living in the future where you can be crappy at sales. Okay, you can be bad at reaching out to prospects, but if you have the right system, okay, and go high level and these proper tools, it can make it so much easier to sell to local businesses. Not joking. I'm not trying to gas you up. I'm just being honest. I'm seeing insane stuff happening. So again, if this interests you and you guys want access to all of this, go right down below, hit that 30 free trial, get access to my community and everything else and these calls, and contact me so I can help you out one-on-one. Go do that. Then from there, okay, go through, set it up, follow the exact procedure I did, and start getting some business if you can. But always drop a comment down below if you have any questions. So thank you guys so much for watching. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually just link a video that's going to show you really what this community has to offer. It's going to show you real testimonials, like people actually winning with this. And then from there, you should be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comments, drop them down below. Check out the 30-day free trial and watch the video that pops up right now.